Let's quickly look at Analytics, your productivity dashboard. Click on Analytics in the main navigation. Analytics helps you track your progress and patterns across GripIt. This section is still evolving, with more features planned for the future, but let me show you what's available now. At the top, you'll see your key metrics: tasks completed, focus time, goals, progress, and current streak. You can switch between views: Overview, Advanced, Achievements, and Monthly, and adjust the time period: week, month, or quarter. Scroll down to see Weekly Progress. This shows your habit completion rates for each day of the week. You can spot patterns. Maybe you're more consistent on Mondays than Fridays, or weekends work better for certain habits. Time distribution shows where your focus time goes: sprint timer sessions, quick focus blocks, or deep work periods. This helps you understand how you're spending your productive hours. Goal Progress displays your active goals with completion percentages. You can see at a glance which goals are on track and which need more attention. Habit Performance shows your habit streaks and completion rates. 0-day streaks mean you're just starting. Build those streaks up. At the bottom, Productivity Insights gives you quick metrics: this week's productivity percentage, average focus session length, and your longest streak. There's also Section Usage. This tracks which parts of GripIt you use most frequently. Important note: this data is stored locally in your browser, not on our servers. It never leaves your computer. It's purely for your own awareness. The Achievements section is coming soon, a system of badges and milestones to celebrate your progress. Stay tuned for that. Analytics is still developing. In the future, we'll add more charts, visualizations, and insights. For now, it gives you a solid overview of your productivity patterns. If you are a data-driven person who loves tracking progress, check Analytics regularly. If not, that's okay too. GripIt works whether you analyze the numbers or not. And that's Analytics, a simple dashboard to see your progress at a glance. That concludes our tutorial series. You now know how to use every major feature in GripIt. Start with what resonates most. Explore at your own pace, and remember, Grippy is always here if you need help. Happy gripping.